Hello, welcome to our HiCAD short clip for Service Pack 1 about mounting drawings. In Service Pack 1 the dialog for mounting drawings has been changed fundamentally and can now be operated in a much more intuitive way. Also, we can define new sheet areas, and in the individual sheet areas we can define the view groups in 3 different ways. This can be done via 2 beams, as you already know. New options are the selection via plane or a grid edge. Let's take a look at this. Firstly, via the beams, which is the method you already know. As you can see, the dialog has largely remained the same. You have the option to define the views, to adjust the scale, and to define which elements you wish to annotate. New here is the option to additionally dimension the z-axis and to be able to adjust this box that was created here in such a way that it includes all we want to see in the mounting drawing that is to be generated later. We can use these tools here. We can, for example, rotate the box, and depending on the selected facet we will get a preview showing the rotation direction. In this example, the selection is made in the front, the whole thing is rotated 180 degrees, and then the dimensions of the box are adjusted. Here, too, we select this facet, a dynamic preview now appears, and drag it to this point. The same for the other side. Here we define the facet via 2 edges. The dynamic preview is shown again, and drag the facet to this point. Then we extend the box further to the front and in an upward direction. In the next step we will create another sheet and define another view group. In this case we would use the selection via plane. We select the flange on this beam as the plane, and again the start box appears. Then we adjust the box in such a way that it includes all we want to see in the generated mounting drawing later. Here, again, we have the option to select the facet via 2 edges or an entire surface. Via 2 edges, we extend the box up to this point, and finally the box can be extended by the value in this field. Depending on where I move my cursor, HiCAD will either choose, as can be seen by the dynamic preview, the upward direction or the right direction, with the value specified here. Now we define a view group again, namely via a grid edge. By choosing this grid edge we obtain a box that immediately has the right size. Here, too, we could have adjusted the box via the tools. However, this will not be necessary here. Now let us assume that we placed this view group into the sheet by mistake. We can then create a new sheet and move this view group into the sheet via drag and drop. The designation of each view group can be changed, in example into front view or roof view. The designation shown in the sheet area will then be changed as well. After confirming with OK, mounting drawings for the defined sheet areas will be created. If we now want to apply a geometrical change, the updating can take place via this mounting drawing. If we want to change the settings, we can just call the dialog window again and edit or expand the previously defined sheet areas. If desired, the settings can also be saved as favorites and called and reused again in every new mounting drawing, so that a time-consuming re-entering of all these settings will not be necessary. If you want, you can also take a look at the other short clips about the new features of the new version. Thanks for your attention. I hope to see you again next time.